Xin chào, tôi tên là Hạnh. Hello everyone, this is Hạnh from 123Vietnamese. Welcome to our online Vietnamese classes for beginners. I hope that our videos will be useful for your journey of learning Vietnamese. Today, I'm doing a lesson of Vietnamese consonants, or we call phụ, phụ, But before we start, I would like to remind you that there are three main parts in Vietnam, which are the northern, the central, and the southern regions, and each region has their own dialect, and I would like to teach you in the northern Vietnamese accent. So I'm sorry for those who are living or planning to live in other regions in Vietnam, but don't worry much. The difference among accent is not the main obstacle for communication. So are you ready for the first lesson? Vietnamese consonants. Let's start. They are all Vietnamese consonants, and I would like to divide these consonant hairs into different groups depending on the place of articulation. In each case, I will try to demonstrate the sound of each consonant and put them into word examples. Let's take a look at the first consonant. B. B. For instance, ba. Ba. Ba means number 3. B. Next. M. M. As in ma. Ma means a ghost. B. B. For example, pin. Pin. Pin means a battery. So as you see here, b, m, and p are all bilabial sounds. When you pronounce them, use both lips. B, m, p. Next. Phở, phở. For example, phở. Phở is Vietnamese noodle, and it is considered as a Vietnamese specialty. Next, vờ, vờ. For example, vợ, vợ. Vợ means wife. Phở and vờ are dental labial sounds. When you pronounce them, your upper teeth touch your lower lip. Phở, vờ. Alright, let's pronounce them one more time. Mờ, mờ, hờ. Phở, vờ. Next. Thờ, thờ. For example, thư. Thư means a letter. Next. Tờ, tờ. As in tôi. Tôi means I. So what is the difference between thờ and tờ? Okay, let's see. Thờ in Vietnamese is aspirated. So when you pronounce it, you will feel the air blowing from your mouth. For example, thờ. Do you see? Thờ, thờ. And this one is not aspirated. When you make it, try to keep the air in your mouth. Tờ, tờ. You see? This is aspirated. Thơ. And this is not aspirated. Tơ. Alright. Next. Đờ. Đờ. For example, đi. Đi means to walk or to go. Next. Nờ. Nờ. For example, no. No is the name of the color. It's brown. Next. So. So. In daily life communication, Northern people pronounce X and S the same. So, for instance, xe. Xe means car or motorbike in general. And số. Số means numbers. So, next. Giờ. Giờ. All these consonant hears are pronounced into Z in Northern Vietnamese accent. Remember, Northern accent. This consonant, there are two ways to pronounce it. The first one, you can call it Z. The second one, you can call it R. But most of the time, Northern people pronounce it into Z. Like Z in English. Z. For example, da. Da means skin. Gia đình. Gia đình means family. And ra or ra. Ra means to out. Next, lờ. Lờ. For instance, lá. Lá means a leaf. Lờ. Lá. So all these consonant here are alveolar consonant. So just imagine this is your tongue. Can you imagine this? So when you make this sound, the tip of your tongue touch the part which is right behind your rubber tip. Thờ. Tờ. Đờ. Nờ. Sờ. Giờ. And lờ. Alright. Next. Chờ. Chờ. So as you hear, TR and CH in Northern Vietnamese accent are pronounced into chờ. For example, trò chơi. Trò chơi means game. Chờ. Next. Nhờ. Nhờ. For example, nhà. Nhà means house, a home. So, chờ and nhờ are palatal sound. When you make it, this is your tongue. The middle part of your tongue touch the hard palate, which is in front of the roof of your mouth. Chờ. Nhờ. Alright. Next. Cờ. Cờ. all these consonant here are pronounced into g. For instance, game. Game. Game means ice cream. Cá. Cá means fish. And quả. Quả means fruit in general. G. Next. Ng. Ng. This sound might be difficult for Westerners to make because in English, it is the ending sound, but in Vietnamese, so sorry, it can be functions as the initial sound. For instance, ngon. Ngon means delicious. Nghe. Nghe means to listen. Ng. Next. Khờ. Khờ as in không. Không. Không means no. When you want to refuse something, you say không. Right. Next. G. G. As you hear, G and GH in Northern Vietnamese accent will pronounce into G. For instance, gà. Gà means a chicken. And ghế. Ghế means a chair. All these consonants here are velar consonant. When you make it, the back part of your tongue, touch the velar, which is the back part of the roof of your mouth. Can you imagine this? Let's pronounce them one more time. Go. Go. Ngờ. Ngờ. Khờ. Khờ. Gờ. Gờ. And the last consonant is H. H. When you make it, imagine you are tired or disappointed about something. And you press a sigh. Right. H. For instance, ha. Ha means to cough. Right. So you have just finished studying about all Vietnamese consonants. Now let's practice pronouncing them one more time. B, b, m, m, h, f, f, v, v, th, th, t, d, d, n, n, s, s, z, z, l, l, ch, ch, ñ, ñ, c, c, ng, ng, kh, kh, g, g, and who. Alright, that is the end of the lesson today. Thank you a lot for your attention. If you have any comments or any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. In the next video, we will make a video of Vietnamese single vowels. Cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại. See you.